Hi everyone, welcome back to Gunpla. For our video today, we're gonna look into another unboxing of a high-grade universal century. It's the MS-06FS Zaku 2FS. This is the custom type for Garma Zabi. So if you're gonna look into this is the box art. It's yellow. The box there is yellow, so it's coming from the original Mobile Suit Gundam series. And if you can see, it was released in 2002. And it's number 34 for the high-grade Universal Century series. So you can look, this is how it looks. The box. For this series, you have the Hawk, the Magellan Tap Cannon, as well as an extra headpiece with Balkan guns. So this is a commander type, Zaku 2, and it's for Garma Zabi. So let's open it. So here you have 3 runners. So this is the runner C and runner B. So runner B consists of the darker reddish orange hue components. So the armor for the feet, the limbs, and the gauntlet. And then runner B are the darker grayish frames, weapons, the Hawk, and the bazooka. This is the runner A with the inner frames, the coils, the polycaps, and the bottom of the feet, and the manual. So here is the manual. So you can see it has 3 weapons: the bazooka, the Hawk, and the Magellan Tap Cannon. Here's the line art. And here are the runner pieces and the instruction how to build it. So considering this is an 18-year-old model kit, it's a pretty straightforward build. Something similar to the Zaku that we built last time. So this is runner A. This is runner C. These are the polycaps. And these are the runner B. We have the foil stickers. We have 5 foil stickers. It's 1 for the mono eye and 4 probably for the joints in the elbow. So again, we're gonna build this kit and we're gonna do a review video. So please stay tuned for that video so you can see how does the model kit works. How does the articulation, how does the color separation, how does the proportion for the kit. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching, and please stay tuned on my next video.